Hi, this is Jason here at RoofSnap.
And Katrina.
Thanks for joining us again for another video. We're going to be answering another frequently asked question today. We're going to go into some of the account setup and customization that can be done on our website. So Katrina, what's kind of the next question we get asked sometimes?
Yeah, so today I'd like to see how do we set up a pre-start checklist, and how
Okay.
does that work on both the back-end account and on the app?
Absolutely. So we are here on roofsnap.com and we are logged into one of our test accounts. So the first thing you're going to do is, I'm not actually going to log out, but let's see if I go to RoofSnap home screen here, where it says log out here in the upper right, we'll actually say log in. Click on that and it's going to take you to a login screen. Put in your email address and your password. And as soon as you enter in your email address and password, you'll see the screen I'm on here. So the way we access documents, specifically the pre-start checklist for customizing it, would be first of all to go into our office. We may have multiple offices. We may just have the sample office. We've already customized this office with a logo and a name and an address. So let's go in and edit documents within this office.
Okay.
We've already done a frequently asked question on the contract, so let's jump down below the contract and go to pre-start checklist. And for those of you who may not be familiar with a pre-start checklist document, a lot of roofing companies and construction companies will have this document, a pre-start checklist, as a pre-production document that either the salesman or maybe the installation manager will go out and meet with the homeowner and have them go over a bunch of questions that are pertinent to the installation, like where do you want us to place the material, have you secured any items hanging on the walls so that they don't fall off due to vibration, have you taken any valuables out of the attic, have you cleared off items from your patio that may be in the way while we tear off the existing roof, and on and on and on. You may have 20, 30 important questions that the homeowner needs to go through, answer, and sign off on. The pre-start checklist, which we'll show you in the app, is a signable document. So you can actually have the homeowner sign right on the screen to verify that they've gone through all the questions in the pre-start checklist. You can see this sample pre-start checklist that we have here. It obviously needs to be modified by you to be specific to your company needs. And this is just a simple text field here. So we can go in, we have 3 questions. We could go in and add a fourth. We could delete one. And let's just add that one. Have you removed valuables from the attic? Once you finish customizing this document as you see fit, then you're going to hit the save button. And it's going to bring us back out to the main screen.
Great.
Now, I'll go ahead, Katrina, and I'll transition us over here to the iPad.
Wonderful.
Now, as you may know from watching other videos, whenever you make a change on the website, in order to see those changes on the app side, you have to do a quick sync. And Katrina's got the cursor there right up in the upper right-hand corner, and she just tapped on that little half-round circle. And that's going to do a sync that usually takes a minute or less, and this is directly dependent upon the speed of your internet connection. So if you're out in the field and you're on a cell phone tethered hotspot type thing and you're 1 megabyte per second or even slower, these quick syncs may take a little longer. But when you're on your fast Wi-Fi, either at home or if you've got fast Wi-Fi at the office, like we do here, then it only takes about 20 seconds or so. Katrina, go ahead and open up that project in the new lead folder. There we go, and then go down into notes. The pre-start checklist does not live in the documents tab; it lives in the notes tab. And it's because these questions can be answered by typing in the answers right into the screen. In fact, it actually lives in both places. But to answer these questions, you go into the notes, you tap on the pre-start checklist there, and then you can type in the answers that the customer provides right in the app. There we go. And then go ahead and hit done, and that will save the answers. Now go to documents. And you see where it says pre-start checklist?
Oh, and I think I bumped the sketch report. Pardon me.
That's okay. Go ahead and tap on capture signature for the pre-start checklist. And here is where then the homeowner can review the document itself, the questions, the answers. Now tap on that. Yep, the signature box. And then you can have the customer put a signature right in. Once you hit save, it's going to generate this as a PDF. Now we're still seeing this like the signable version, so go ahead and hit the documents to bring us back out. Now there is the checklist.pdf. So we open that up, and now we can see the pre-start checklist has been filled out and signed in its entirety. From there, the share button is in the upper right-hand corner, and just like any other document, you can email it, Gmail it, save to Dropbox, Google Drive, on and on and
Do
on
what
and
you
on.
will.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's the pre-start checklist. Definitely, a popular document that most of our customers use day to day. So check it out, format it as you see fit, and stay tuned for the next frequently asked question.
Thanks so much, guys. See you soon.
Bye-bye.